In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide liquidity between VSP and Ether on Uniswap. Liquidity providers, or LPs, help to facilitate trading between two tokens. LPs are compensated by earning trading fees and may also receive liquidity mining rewards. When providing liquidity, you're exposed to the price changes in the underlying assets. You are also exposed to the risk of impermanent loss, which results from changes in the relative price between the two tokens. The more the prices of the tokens diverge relative to each other, the higher the impermanent loss. To become an LP on Uniswap, you'll need to deposit an equal dollar amount of VSP and Ether. Head over to the LP page on Uniswap. A link is included in the show notes. Click on Add V2 Liquidity, click Select a Token, click Manage Token List, switch the CoinGecko token list to On, hit the back button, and enter VSP. Click VSP. Read the tip up here to learn about the trading fees you'll earn by being an LP. Connect your wallet. Enter the amount of liquidity that you would like to provide. You can enter the amount in Ether or VSP, and the other box will automatically populate to the required amount. You'll have to approve a transaction to allow Uniswap smart contracts to use your VSP. This only has to be done the first time you send your Vesper to Uniswap. Click on Approve VSP and approve the transaction. Once the transaction has been approved, click on Supply, click on Confirm Supply, and approve the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see your position at the bottom of your screen. Now that you provided liquidity in VSP and Ether, go to the VSP Ether LP farm on Geyser to earn liquidity mining rewards. A link is included in the show notes. Enter the amount of LP tokens you would like to stake. You'll need to do an approval for the smart contract interaction by clicking Approve UniV2, as well as the staking transaction. Your staked LP position is shown here. You can withdraw your LP tokens by entering the amount of tokens to withdraw. The withdrawal will also automatically claim your rewards. Click the Unstake button and confirm your transaction. You'll need to unstake before withdrawing your liquidity from the VSP Ether pool. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video.